Hello everyone! If you're a stay-at-home mom, then you know that it can be a challenge to make ends meet. But there are plenty of ways to make money from home. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom. From startups to online businesses, there's sure to be something here for everyone. So if you're looking to make some extra cash, then this video is for you. The most fulfilling job of all is being a stay-at-home parent, but it's also hard work and very low paying. Sadly, warm hugs don't pay the bills. If you're a stay-at-home mom looking to make some extra money, then this video is for you. I'll share 10 easy and the most effective ways to make money from home based on my research to ensure that you receive the most success after you've completed watching this video. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, and we will personally reply to your comment. Thank you. Now let's get straight into number 1. This one's my favorite. With this, it's possible to make $300 a class. You know what? Let's switch it up a bit. Starting from number 10, we have Write Online Dating Profiles. Who doesn't like taking long walks on the beach, solving the Sunday crossword puzzle, and earning additional Benjamins for her charming and witty voice? You, of course. While online profile writing is certainly not boring, it is a little offbeat. For a steady supply of freelance profile writing work and impressive pay, fees range from $70 to $120 per profile. Go through a legitimate agency. However, the folks at Easyrona want you to know that only the skilled succeed, so don't think you can write any nonsense just to make a buck. Nonetheless, if you can write and speak the language of love, this job might be right for you. At 9, we have Complete Flexible Remote Projects with a Pen. A pen has something for everyone, provided you're willing to pay attention to the smallest details. Companies seeking freelancers to complete tasks and respond to brief surveys to enhance their artificial intelligence products are a pen's clients. You can work on long-term or part-time projects as a pen contributor. You could just draw boxes around images, transcribe audio, classify social media, moderate content. Each project is unique, and you choose what you want to work on. If you stay at home with young children, you probably already craft a lot. Which brings me to number 8. Sell your crafts on Etsy if you're artsy. If you're hankering for more ways to make something worth keeping or worth selling, consider cashing in on your whittling, painting, refurbishing, sewing or collaging on Etsy. Once you get your product ready for purchase and set up shop, keep in mind, you'll pay 3 fees: a listing fee, a transaction fee, and a payment processing fee. You'll pay 20 cents per listing you publish in the Etsy marketplace. 7. Work as a freelance designer or copywriter. Do you have skills in graphic design or copywriting? No SEO? On Fiverr, you can sell almost any skill for at least $5. Quick, simple, and low risk. This app has a lot of opportunities. Compensation starts at $5 per project, but some pay more. As a result, to avoid being exploited for your talent, it's a good idea to look for work that you can produce quickly. However, if you can quickly design a logo or business card, you can work on as many of these projects as you want in your spare time and see the $5 bills grow into something, well, bigger. This can easily be done with free tools such as Canva. 6. Testing websites with TryMyUI. Using TryMyUI to test websites is a great way to make money from home. Being available to test as soon as you receive an email invitation is crucial to actually obtaining gigs testing websites. You'll probably only get a few tests a week, but it's a great way to make extra cash. With TryMyUI, you can earn $10 for every 10 minutes you spend testing websites. 5. Try remote work. With their extensive job search tools, Women for Hire makes it simple for businesses to find exceptional women to fill crucial positions, from entry-level to executive leadership. Based on what you already know about the products and services that are available, you can choose the industry in which you would like to work. Women for Hire also offers webinars and career advice to help you get the job of your dreams and improve your skills. They have a whole section just for working from home, making your search even simpler. Hour to Fly is a recruiting platform made by women for women. They want you to know that you can do everything you used to do, but at your own pace and from home. On their website, you don't have to sign up to see the plethora of remote jobs, including part-time and flexible positions offered by major companies like BuzzFeed, Dell, and Facebook. 4. Online travel agent. You might need a license to work as an online home-based travel agent. State-by-state differences exist in these requirements. However, if you want to make money from home as a stay-at-home mom, this could be a great option. As a work-at-home travel agent, you'll need to build connections and make use of local businesses. The average salary for a travel agent is between $28,000 and $33,000, so even though you'll be working odd hours, you could make a few $1,000s per month. This information comes from Glassdoor. There are a variety of travel agencies you can join, some of which are free and others that require a small initial fee. 3. Online proofreading. It should come as no surprise that accuracy in all published content will have no room for error, given that content is taking center stage in every industry and field. The work of editing and proofreading comes into play at this point. Proofreading is actually quite a well-paying job that you can easily perform from the comfort of your own home, if you're well-versed in English or even the language of the content. One can anticipate earning at least $40,000 annually as a freelance proofreader. Not bad considering there are no prerequisites, such as an English degree, or any degree for that matter. 2. Renting out your home or car. Renting your house or car can help you supplement your income if you're a stay-at-home mom. If you want to rent out your home for a short period of time, VRBO and Airbnb are great options. If you live in a tourist area, you can also rent a car through Turo. Stay-at-home moms might not think this is a good way to make money, but renting out your house or car can be a great way to make extra money without leaving your house. Even liability insurance up to $1 million is available from these websites. Check out local listings to get a better idea of what you can charge, but the site says that the average home rents for $160 per night. Remember that hosting does require you to maintain your apartment in top condition, so make sure you're aware of local short-term rental laws. You know, no dew stains on the furniture. And then to what you've been waiting for. This is my favorite pick out of all my research. So number 1. Before we hop into number 1, please remember to smash the like button if this video was of some use and you got some value. Please also don't forget to subscribe and comment down below I subscribed. We will be replying to every comment. And for number 1, become a kindergarten leader. If you're a stay-at-home parent, tinkering with kids is a great job because it's enriching for both you and your child. This paid position basically entails leading an outdoor Montessori class that your child enjoys in the company of peers. Invite community parents to enroll their children in your kindergarten class, scheduled at a time, day, and location of your choosing to get started as a leader. Once you get your students to show up, all you have to do is take them on their nature adventure and use the teaching materials that Kindergarten provides. This means that you don't have to spend any more time making lesson plans. There is no upfront cost. You do not require a special license, and you can begin earning money as soon as you plan your first excursion. Leaders of 8-week kindergarten classes can earn $300 to $800 per class, and many of them run multiple classes per session. We appreciate you joining us today to watch the video. We hope you found our in-depth look at the best ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom to be of assistance to you in increasing your income. In the event that you're quick to see these thoughts can be applied in reality, then, at that point, simply set yourself up on the grounds that opportunity is close. Pressure makes diamonds. Wealthy on our way to Mars.